See our hood right here? Just came in today. This is the replacement for this one. We just went on and bought a new hood. As you see, we bought a new hood. Same color, everything. Everything looks to be good. So now, we need to take this one off. Right here. Take this hood off. Just putting those there for protection. Don't want to damage the windshield any more than it is. You see. So I'm going to take this down a little bit. Do too much. Then I'm going to drop the hood down. Okay. Should I take these hinges off? I don't know. Thinking about it. Thinking about taking the hinges off, but let's see how well this comes off. See how well it comes off without taking it off. See if I can get it back on. Let me know, need a 12 millimeter. Lord, everything gets so clunky, guys, when you hit that record button. Everything gets so clunky and slows things down. You see, it really does. But I do it for you guys. I record for you guys, you see? I record for you guys. So I don't have a 12. Guess I'm gonna have to just stick my hand under here and see if I can do it this way without damaging anything else. Hold on, let's see. Lord. Put this in here like this. Okay. Now, see if I can get my hands. Oh no, I can't do that. Not on this side for sure. This side, we lucky. Got lucky, we can do it on this side. Okay. There we go. Got it out. So, I gotta get a 12 millimeter small one like this. And yes, guys, it is cold out here. So hit that like, share, subscribe. Yeah, hit that button. You see? Hit it. Hit the subscribe. Hit the like. Don't hit the subscribe, hit the like button, okay? Thanks. Appreciate that in advance. I do. Lord. I need a 12 mil. Well, you a 12 mil? No, you a 13. There we go. All right. Okay. Lord. Oh man. Terrible. That's why I should have one with a ratchet on it. Would be good. But now, can I get my hands under there? Can I? Let's see. Yeah, I can, but it's so rough. This ain't cutting it. Lord. Thought I had a 12. This style. Thought I had a 12. I gotta find one. Okay, got out 12. Now I should be able to stick my hand under here now and turn it a little bit better. Yeah, there we go. There we go. And do we have it? Yes, we have it. There we go. Okay. Now we need to pick this up and get it out of the way. There you have it. Hood really don't look that bad. Probably could have fixed it, but I just didn't want to, guys. Just didn't want to. So this is the replacement. It's good, it's ready to go. This is fold like this. Hopefully I can fold it back like that again. Man, I guess let's move this, then we'll put it back in once we get the hood on there. All right. Oh Lord, I feel like the thing is harder. You don't want to mess up. Hold on now, gotta get that piece again. Gotta get, oh wait a minute. It's not all, oh that's good. Okay. Now, let's get this. Hold it back under here again. Okay. All right. All right, let's see how we looking under here. Okay, that's good. Time to get it screwed in. Okay. Okay. Come on. Trying to get it screwed in. Lord. Oh, Lord. Come on now. Let's get this right. Don't screw up. Okay. Let's see. Can we get it screwed in? Come on. Come on. Guys, I might have to come back. I might have to do this off camera. Like I tell you, everything gets clunky when you're doing everything on camera. Never goes right when you're doing it on camera. Never. Oh, Lord. Whew. Okay. See if we can get this thing. We got that one screwed on a little bit. See if we can get a little bit better. I think as long as we get the two first ones in, it's gonna be kind of hard to get that real one in at this moment. We can at least get the two top ones in. Okay. One on both sides. Okay. Let's see. Can we do it on this side? Let's get it started. Go up. Right there. We can get you. We can get it. Oh Lord. Guys, I'm gonna come right back. We're gonna have it on, alright? Alright guys, we got it on. I think my hand's starting to turn out to ice, guys. My hand's starting to turn to ice. Jeez. Let's get this stuff back in the bag. Yeah. Lord. Those are the old hinges. You can see they were bent, so we couldn't really get a good thing on them. But let's see how this one is actually. Let's see how it looks once we put it down. See if it looks any better. Not, then we're still in trouble. You see? Let's see how we looking. Okay, what are we looking at? Okay. This thing right here. Really gotta get this straight over here. That gotta get that straight. Yeah. Okay. So I gotta get that straight, and I gotta work on this. Get this slide over a little bit, but for now, I'm just gonna leave it like this, and we'll come look at this another time. Not today. It's cold out here, man. What's going on? What the hell? Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, that's gonna have to get pulled over. That's gonna have to get pulled over a little bit. But now let's leave it like this. Man. Yeah, we're gonna have to work on this right here. We're gonna have to work on this. Cause we don't want to get a new fender. That's something we're not gonna do. Not getting a new fender. So yeah, so whoa, working on it. We almost got it knocked in the head, guys. Just need to get everything tidy up over here. It's kind of, see, gotta get the stuff worked out. But for now, it's too cold out here. All right, it's too cold out here, but yeah, we're getting there. It's getting better. Let's get some shots of it. Yep, y'all see it. It's getting better. We gotta tighten up right here a little bit. Gotta tighten that up. But anyway, looking good. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again when we're back in the yard, baby. The yard. Peace.